appreciation cards while Cole is taking a nap. Tell you about my hair because I had a really amazing wash day, and I haven't really done any like hair wash day videos or like updating content in that sort. I wanted to show you what I used for this wash day because it came out so soft, so moisturized. I washed my hair with this Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Now this is like my second or third time using this. I think it's my third time using it. I still have a lot, and I will say that I've only used it a few times because it is very dry. I say it strips everything, it cleanses so well. I have to be sure not to use this too much and to follow up with a very moisturizing conditioner. So then I followed up with the Nichole Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This immediately brought my hair back to life. So if you're someone who likes this shampoo but you find it drying like me, get you a deep conditioner comparable to Nichole. The one that I say is comparable to this one, I don't have it right now, but it's by TGIN, like a comparison, like a product I can compare to this. So if you can't get your hands on this, try that one, but it's super moisturizing and definitely brought my curls back to life. And then I've still been trying out this the full body thickening lotion, and I feel like my hair kind of looks thicker. I did not use a lot. The last time I tried this and the last like full on wash and go I did was these two, and it came out horrible. I have yet to find anything to pair this with. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus plus Flaxseed Defining Styling Gel. So come back to this. Anyways, I put this on and I paired this with my Design Essentials curling cream, the almond and avocado curling cream. I typically use this on its own, but I wanted a little hold because it's supposed to rain all week. I applied a whole bunch of this, and I applied a little of this on top. It is the almond and avocado honey curl forming custard, and because I applied so much of the cream, I definitely don't have any hold. There's like no crunch. My hair is super soft though and moisturized. It feels so good. So I actually rather have that than like the hard jelly feel right now because my hair's just been feeling so dry. And so I want to make sure I'm putting all the moisture in it that I can. Back to this. So this gel feels so amazing. I created a short, and I'll insert it somewhere, but I created a short showing this on my hair wet. Ooh, oh my gosh. However, I have paired it with like 2 or 3 different leave-ins, and it does not pair well. It flakes, it builds, and I try not to use as much of it. So I'm almost thinking that this might be one that I need to try alone. So my next wash and go or my next wash day video, I'm thinking about trying this and trying it alone as well as with another leave-in that I really like. So I want to try it with a leave-in I really like and then another leave-in by the same product line because I saw a new leave-in that came out by Shea Moisture. So I want to try that. And then my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, I absolutely love that leave-in. So my thought is maybe Shea Moisture with Shea Moisture will work because I tried this with my Paul Mitchell, and I think the Melanin leave-in, it was a no-go. So yeah, that's what I had done to my hair, and I diffused it. I did not stretch it too much because like I said, there is no hold. It looks so good though and so moisturized. I am on the hunt to look for a new blow dryer because my blow dryer just feels like it takes forever, like the diffuser, and I don't have a concentrator nozzle anymore. So I'm looking to upgrade. I'm actually going to clean out all of my natural hair tools like my curling irons, flat irons, all of that. Revamping just because I feel like I need a new diffuser because it's not doing the job. Like it takes forever. And then some of the tools like I'm not even using. I think I have like 4 flat irons. Don't ask me why, I don't know. And if I get a new blow dryer, of course I need to take some blow dryers out. Something that I feel like I've been missing, which I did with this wash day, is I went and sat under the hooded dryer at my mom's house. And I have not sat under a hooded dryer in probably almost a year and a half, because I gave my hooded dryer to my mom, and I feel like that is one of the big things that I'm missing from my wash days. We did not want one in my home because it was hard to store, but we're just going to have to figure out a place for it in the closet. I'm doing a whole spring cleaning. Every room in this house is getting decluttered and cleaned out, so it will have a place to live by the time I'm done cleaning. And the other thing is I have finished taking my Myo gummies, and so I'm going to start taking my Curls vitamins. The bad thing about those vitamins is that they're hard to travel with, but we're just gonna have to make do. We're gonna head to Walmart to finish out his teacher appreciation gifts, get the gifts ready, let him color them and sign them to the best of his ability. And then we'll do dinner, bath time, and he has therapy tonight, so we'll also do that. And then that is going to wrap up our Sunday. My mom actually ended up popping up, and so I left Cole sleeping and I ran to Walmart, but I think his therapy session has started because I didn't make it back in time, because she told me to run by her house to grab some food that she left there. So while he's doing therapy, I'm gonna sneak in and check on him, but I'm gonna also organize the gifts because I want to get this done and relax and have a relaxing, quiet night. We pray. We so pray. Can y'all see this brown that I'm talking about? Like, the brown is not, it ain't what it is. I hate it. But anyways, I'm gonna run in here, check on him in his therapy, see if he's coloring his picture, because we were gonna work on attention and sitting and doing a task for as long as we can get him to last. He does not last very long unless it's a musical, so we're trying to get him away from that. So I'm gonna check on him, and then I'm gonna organize all this stuff.
Here, Blue. Thank you. Give me one. Thank you, Jacob. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Your color, your blue? Color blue? Blue? Here, you want the orange back? Huh?
Oh, what's that?
All right, well, come over here and get the crayons. Come on.
Ooh, what's that?
Come here.
Yeah, on the, what's this called? The bench. Oh, you can't see. everybody bye. Hey guys, so it is Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. So we had a whole lot planned for Mother's Day weekend, and none of those plans happened. We were supposed to actually spend the whole weekend in Dallas, and we did not. We ended up at a Mother's Day brunch and a baby shower that we were invited to, but we weren't supposed to be in town for. But since we were in town, we went ahead and went. So our Mother's Day definitely did not go as planned. I managed to get a picture with Cole before he started running all around again, and then we drove up to my grandmother's to see her. It's 2 hours away, so that my mom could see her for Mother's Day. So we did not do much. Cole is actually in the tub. My mom is here getting him a bath. I am about to clean up because I had all of this stuff over here laid out to pack to go out of town, and we did not go out of town. So I'm just gonna clean this up and put it away because there are no travel plans until the end of the month. And I did get a Mother's Day gift. I got more of my Mon Paris because I was actually just telling my mom, like, oh man, I just like used up the last of my Mon Paris, and we ended up at the mall, and so she got me this one. It has the 1 fluid ounce bottle and the little travel perfume. So that is that. That was my Mother's Day. It was my first official Mother's Day, but it was not my first Mother's Day with Cole. So even though we didn't get to do everything we planned, it was not a big deal. But yeah, I just wanted to close out. It is Sunday. It is probably like day 12 of this vlog. Like, I swear I've been vlogging for like 2 or 3 weeks, and it is because my external hard drive literally just stopped working, and everything that I was recording was on there. So there's a lot of this vlog that's missing. I'll probably fast forward it somewhere in here, but I legit gave up because that vlog was like so almost done recorded that, or almost done editing, that I don't have the heart to go back and do it again. But I did want to wrap this vlog up, so I am doing a lot of cleaning / decluttering. We are having a garage sale, and I'm really excited. Don't ask me why, but I could easily just take all of this stuff, donate it to Goodwill, or give it away to somebody. But we haven't had a garage sale since I was like 10. Like, ooh, like, it's so nostalgic. I don't know. So made me really excited. But I did not get to wrap y'all up. So then we had teacher appreciation. Cole's teacher loved all of his gifts, you know, everything that we put together, and his little cards that he made. And then Mother's Day, my mother loved her gift. But I did get myself a Mother's Day gift. So I got a cute cup from Cole. It is so cute. I love mugs. So I got a cute mug from Cole / my mom. The perfume, and I bought myself a Mother's Day gift. So because I'm cleaning out, I'm decluttering, I mentioned this before, I'm getting rid of like all of my tools, and I'm trying to condense, and a bunch of my, I have like 2 or 3 different blow dryers in there, and they're all missing the attachments, so the attachments broke off, especially like the comb broke. So I've given up on that. I'm going to throw them away, throw them in a garage sale because the blow dryers work. Give them to Goodwill. I don't care. They just have to leave my house, and I'm decluttering. So I'm going to spend the next couple of weeks decluttering, but I did get myself the new pattern blow dryer. I was on the fence about which one to get, about what to get, because the blow dryer had the diffuser attachment. Like, it literally, I've had that since I have been natural. That is years and years and years and years. So I had a hard time detaching from it. And then I also, the box is right here. And please ignore the mess behind me. We are going to SeaWorld this weekend, and so that is my way of packing. I literally throw everything into a corner, and then when I'm ready to pack it, I pack it. So that's how I pack. But I got myself a hooded dryer because I feel like this was a step that was truly missing in my routine that I used to do when my hair was so much healthier. And so I decided I need to get my diffuser back, and I need to get my hooded dryer back, but I gave it to my mom, so I got myself a new one. So those were my Mother's Day gifts to myself. And really, I have been eyeing this forever, and I saved up like almost $40 with Ulta. So I got it $40 cheaper than what it was, but of course that was like points. But I'm going to put this together, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair really quickly because I want to finish cleaning, and I want to finish decluttering, and I need the box that this hooded dryer is in. So if I get rid of the stuff inside of it, then I can use the box to pack up garage sale stuff. So that's my thought process, and I don't have that long because Cole ran away with my mom. He'll be back shortly, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and put this She is done. So I don't want to undo this just yet. As much as I want to mess with this, I'm not going to undo it just yet. I will wait. I'm going to use my old diffuser. Yep, so I decided to just use my old diffuser for now. I'm not going to use my new one. I shall use it the next time I do my hair. But I did want to show y'all what I put in my hair. I literally put one thing. I kept seeing it. Finally, I saw it. Where did I see this? TJ Maxx for $7.99. So it is, I'm gonna turn it correctly. It is the B Girl Supercharged Honey Curl Custard. I did not use anything with it. My hair is super defined, but super crunchy, but my roots are still a little wet, and before I pineapple it, I want to dry them. But yeah, doing all of this before my child gets home.